Welcome boys to another, which is better for your explosions video. Last video we did TNT Dynamite versus End Crystal, but now we're doing TNT Dynamite versus glowstone lamp. Probably wondering, what the hell is a glowstone lamp? Well, the respawn anchor right-clicked with glowstone, so let's see. 7 Kingdoms Clan Clash. So, let's see. You blow up into smithereens. Okay, so basically, the only good thing about the only good thing about the respawn anchor is I blow up into smithereens. The useful part about it is it destroys one in a 50 block radius. Look, you see that right there? I did a test to see if water slabs hydrate farmland faster than regular water source block, and it was right because you have to place we're in 1.20 now. If you didn't notice by the cherry wood. You have to place a slab before you place down the water bucket. But you can't place the water bucket on top of the slab, you need to place it on the side of the block. And then I'll hydrate the farmland faster. I timed it a little under a minute and then a little over 2 minutes for water source block. So basically, if we look at the explosion radius, it's not really that different. Well, it actually is 4 TNT in 1 plus fire. That's the good thing about it. Bad thing is that nothing. The good thing is that it can destroy wood in a 50 block radius. This can be good to destroy your friend's house if they're made out of wood. Who doesn't make their house out of stone? Well, literally everyone except me, but look. Even if we place it over here, we're gonna do 7 Kingdoms Clan Clash. And still hit their house and just burn it down. Like a burn, baby. Burn. Yeah, it will take a little bit of time, but it'll still do explosive surprise. If you do it inside of this house, yeah, it's gonna definitely just instantly destroy it. Blow up into smithereens. Also, when I said to glowstone lamp in the intro of this video, you're probably wondering because look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a perfectly good lamp, you know? Even if we set the time to night. Oh wait, always day is enabled. Even if we set the time to night, you can blow up into smithereens. Even if we set the time to night, look what happens. Blow up into smithereens. 7 Kingdoms Clan Clash. It's the worst game in the App Store. So, look, if we set the time to night, it's still, relatively it. But I think it produces more light than the glowstone itself. Well, no, but it just looks cooler. And you can respawn with it. But if you accidentally do one too many glowstone, blow up into smithereens. Yeah, see? That explosion was really long. And if you accidentally have one too many glowstone, yeah, you get the picture. You'll have way more light and your house burned down. It still has more light. But your house is burning down also, so would that really be a plus? Well, it blow up into smithereens. Boop, boop, beep, 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 beep. A big boom. TNT is just more iconic. Like, do we do the button TNT? Versus the Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. We have this, like, I blow up into smithereens. Like, look at that. Look at the X-doo-doo. Versus the actual TNT. Yeah, you get the picture. Yeah, you get the picture. That's regular TNT. That's scattered fire TNT. Like, who wouldn't want that? I actually legit just knew that you could light stuff up. I didn't know it would actually catch fire. And then I randomly realized that it caught on fire, and I was like, okay, I gotta do a YouTube video about this. Blow up into smithereens. Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Blow up into smithereens. Beep, 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 beep. We do like one TNT dynamite in each of these. Yeah, we probably don't have that much TNT, so yeah, but TNT is just like scattered if you place even more of it. But a lot of TNT is hard to get in like survival mode. Glowstone really isn't, so or like you only have to craft one respawn anchor, burn down an entire village. So it's like not having a good time. Like blow up into smithereens. Look at these. Do you like it? It's like a new flag design. Continent of the house. I blow up into smithereens. Mentioning this one YouTuber. Look at all those glow item frames and pressure plates. So how many blocks can like each of them blow up? We're gonna do wood so the spawn anchor gets an advantage. Yeah, I can oh my god, that one was really small. Yeah, I know, right? Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. That name is so funny, I don't know why. Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. They blow up into smithereens. Beep, 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 boop, beep, beep, beep. Can it blow up 3? Let's see if we can blow up into smithereens. Beep, beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Well, it can't, but it can still do like 17 of Clan Clash. And TNT probably won't make it past the stage. The problem with TNT is it takes so long to detonate. Like, can you take longer? Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. You know? Why is that name so funny? Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. It's such a long name, but perfect for a Clash Royale ripoff. Like, am I right? Yeah, it couldn't make it past 4 blocks. So, looks like respawn anchor makes up. But how many blocks high can it blow up? Like blow up into smithereens. Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Okay, so, oh, my bubble machine's leaking. If we try like Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash, yeah, this can definitely blow up 1 block. Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. If we do this, a big boom. Like, it can blow that many blocks up. And then we do like 1, 2, 3. Do you think it can blow this up? Like, if you do, don't fast forward. Ding ding. And make the subscribe button go ding ding by clicking on it and then clicking the bell so you never miss another explosive video. That like exploding with fun. Like get back it's fun whitey. Okay, the blow up into smithereens. Beep boop. Okay, it can't blow up 3 blocks. So like away from that, how many can probably won't get past the one stage, they blow up into smithereens. The respawn anchor is just way better because it has fire. And if your friend's house is made out of wood, you're in luck. And Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. Why did they even call it that? I know it's called Seven Kingdoms Clash, but it was once called Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. So, what's going on here? When did they come up with that name? Yeah, it's probably not gonna make it past this stage. Yep. Even though it looks like it does, but it just doesn't. You idiot. A big boom. But how? This stage is just for the respawn anchor. How many blocks can it spread its fire down from? So if you should put any roof respawn anchors. But the good idea, the reason why respawn anchor is just way better is because of the fire, and when it's ignited, it doesn't fall. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It blew up into smithereens. Boop, beep, 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 beep. It can definitely spread its fire from there. Can it spread its fire from here? Yup, it can. Yuppity yup yo. Blow up into smithereens. Yup, it can definitely do that. Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. It can still spread its fire. Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. Seven Kingdoms. Okay, I don't think it can spread its fire from this high up. It still can. Blow up into smithereens. Beep, 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 beep. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not really worth placing your respawn anchor 7 blocks up in the sky, unless you want to do like a massive explosion on somebody's sky base. It can still spread fire. The wood's made out of floor, or the floor is made out of wood. Yeah, definitely use a respawn anchor. No matter how tall the house is, you can use a respawn anchor. This is just becoming the world's TNT land. But now, which is the fastest team with blowing up a house made out of wood? Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. Or this isn't really who is the fastest team? Burn some villages. Or it will be a who's the fastest team challenge. A massive box of the base. Putting it outside won't do the job. Who's the fastest team? Flint and steel or a respawn anchor? Gonna blow up into smithereens. Beep boop beep 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 beep. So which is the fastest team? Well, looks like they're really cooking. I think we just need to do rock climbing and get some help. Some Seven Kingdoms Clan Clash. 2 respawn anchors, pretty expensive. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Bye. But no, it's not all for today because when you have your bonus clips with just me blowing up respawn anchors like I did with end crystals in the last match. The last video when I did explosions. I blow up into smithereens. They're all that Seven Kingdoms clan clash. Okay. This is how to do Seven Kingdoms clan clash. It's infinite. Oh my god. Yeah, that was only 16. See ya, bye.